Hi, this is Revant and you are looking at my project I call the Robotic Shadow Arm. Here in this project you can see two arms, arm number 1 and arm number 2. The main aim of this project is to control arm number 2 by using intuitive control of arm number 1. Now let us see the working. I am going to control arm number 2 using the potentiometer that is available near the arm number 1. So let us move the arm number 2 left and right. Okay, now I'm going to move arm up and down using the control from 1. It is also possible to do both the actions at the same time parallelly. Now, what is the main aim of this project? In many places we will not be able to control something directly with human contact. In such places we can use robotic arms. Imagine this to be there in that field. That is, arm number 2 is in some quarantined area and arm number 1 is in some place where human can control it. By using intuitive control of arm number 1, arm number 2 can move exactly the same way in the quarantined zone. Now let us see how the connections are made. This Arduino board and the power supply from this board is getting distributed to the potentiometer here and the potentiometer here. Also, it gets distributed into servo motor here and another one here. And this pin is an analog input from the potentiometer here as well as here. And this is the digital output to the servo motors available here and here. So just like you would have thought, the servo motor at the bottom will do the left-right movement and the servo motor at the top will do the up and down movement. And this happens exactly the same way this moves. And this happens exactly the same way this moves. Now it is time to look at the code. The code by itself is not that hard. So just like I said, there is a potentiometer input that I have mapped to analog 0 and analog 2 pins. And similarly, servo output goes to pin number 9 and pin number 12. This is the basic setup. Now let's go to the main portion. I have done nothing but just mapping the values of the potentiometer to the servo. That is, potentiometer moves from 0 to 180 degrees. And the servo moves in steps of 1024, which is from 0 to 1023. So I have actually mapped the value 1, which is here, from this to this. And that is why when I move the potentiometer from 0 to 180 degrees, the servo also moves the exact same way. And similarly, this happens to value number 2, which is the second potentiometer and servo motor couple. And I'm running it. That's all. Thank you.